Hi, it's Nicole from Cricut. In this series, we'll introduce you to the world of Cricut pop-up cards. First, in this intro, we'll give you an overview of this impressive cardstock technique. These eye-popping projects are a great way to make occasions like birthdays extra special. Then we'll take you through a step-by-step tutorial focused on assembly of one of our most popular cards. Finally, we'll finish off the course with tips and tricks that will save you time and help you understand how to assemble other pop-up cards. To get started, try searching POP in Design Space. You'll find dozens of pop-up cards suitable for all kinds of occasions. There are a couple of things you should know before we get into the assembly tutorial in the next video. First, you can customize pop-up cards, a little or a lot. By clicking Customize, you can switch out colors and easily add images or text. Also, it can be fun to gather inspiration from other Cricut members on the customization front. Be sure to check out other projects inspired by in the project instructions. Speaking of project instructions, check them for material requirements and detailed assembly instructions. You can even print it by clicking here. Pop-up cards are a bit more complex than other card projects, so take your time. Watch this series all the way through, pause as needed, and rewatch as many times as you like. Your confidence will grow with each card you make. Practice makes perfect. So have fun. You've got this.